Good afternoon students, welcome to class 10 biology class, and this video I will discuss the great blood vessels of the heart. Actually the structures mean different chambers I have discussed with the blood vessels and the different types of valves. Okay, otherwise you cannot understand the total circulation of the double circulation of the blood. Okay, this is the great blood vessels, the first blood vessel entering to the heart. Okay, entering to the heart, this blood vessel, the first one, the blood vessels, blood vessels, blood vessels. This blood vessel entering to the heart, the first blood vessels, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Okay, this right auricle receives the three types of blood vessels. When receive the three types of blood vessel or this blood vessel entering to the heart, the right auricle receive this blood vessel, the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and third one, coronary sinus. Okay, where it is situated, have to understand. The first one is the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. Okay, superior vena cava, actually this is bring the deoxygenated blood from the heart, means upper part of the body, from the superior vena cava. It carries the bring the deoxygenated blood and enter to the right auricles. It brings or carry deoxygenated blood from the upper region of the body. That's why named is superior. After that, inferior vena cava, it is carry the bring the deoxygenated blood from the lower part region of the body. Okay, lower region of the body. This is the inferior vena cava. And the last one is the coronary sinus. Coronary sinus actually is a bring the deoxygenated blood from the heart wall itself. In the heart wall also, from the heart wall, means heart to is the bring the deoxygenated blood. It consists of two arteries. Actually the coronary arteries arises from base of the aorta. It supplies the blood to the heart muscles. Okay, coronary arteries. It supplies the blood to the heart muscles, and when the coronary artery is blocked, it started the heart attack. The three blood vessels actually the entering to the heart. This is entering to the heart. The first one, superior vena cava, it carries the deoxygenated blood from upper region of the body, and inferior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from lower region of the body, and coronary sinus is consisted of two arteries, the coronary arteries, and it supply the blood to the heart muscle. Actually this coronary sinus bring the deoxygenated blood to the heart wall, from the heart wall, and the left auricle receive the two pairs of pulmonary vein. The two pairs, and these are the received only the right auricles. Here I am writing here the right auricles. Okay, and the pulmonary vein also receive the left auricle receives the pulmonary veins. These are the blood vessels entering to the heart, the superior, and these three blood vessels actually they receive the blood and enter the blood in the right auricles, and the two pulmonary veins is the blood the left auricles from the lungs. Okay, this is the blood vessels. Now the blood vessel leaving the heart, the pulmonary artery and systemic aorta. The first one is the pulmonary artery. And systemic aorta. Okay, the pulmonary arteries. What is the pulmonary arteries? The living the blood. This is the blood vessel leaving the heart. It arises from the right ventricles, carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. It carries actually deoxygenated blood, means carbon dioxide rich blood, heart to lungs for purification. Actually this one type of artery present in our body is carry the carbon dioxide, deoxygenated blood. And systemic aorta, which is the arise from the left ventricle, supply the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Actually it is the supply oxygen rich blood to all parts of body. The two types of blood vessel present. These blood vessels are living from the heart. The pulmonary artery is carrying the deoxygenated blood, and from the it is heart to lungs for the purification, and arises from the right ventricles. And systemic aorta, it carry the oxygen rich blood to various part of the body, and it arises from the left ventricle. And okay, the blood vessels completed. Now the valves. Different types of valves is present. These valves, actually the location is most important. Mind you, this location or the valves, the apertures or the valves. The four types of valves present. This is the bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve or the semilunar valve, and aortic semilunar valve. Okay, the first one is the bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve okay, tricuspid valve, where it is located. Bicuspid valve, it is the guts opening the, is called the left auriculoventricular valve. Okay, left auricle to the left auriculoventricular valve. And the tricuspid valve, this is the right auriculoventricular valve. And the last one, two pulmonary valves and aortic semilunar valves. This pulmonary valve present in the pulmonary arches, aortic and pulmonary arches, and aortic semilunar valve present point of the aorta from the left ventricles. Actually this valve, all the valves are the most important function. This is the prevent the backflow of the blood, means this the direction is the only unidirectional. Okay, the two valves, actually the four valves are most important. This is the bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, semilunar valve. Number 3, semilunar or pulmonary valve. And number 3, aortic semilunar valve. Okay, there are 4 types of heart present. And your internal external structure in the internal structures of the heart completed. Next video I will discuss the double circulation or the circulation, the blood circulation. This one is very much important, and have to draw the diagram also. I will draw in the board this diagram roughly. I will draw, otherwise you cannot understand. Okay, this heart and the blood vessels have to remember where the location, otherwise you cannot understand the blood circulation. Okay.